day, Thomas and Daisy were waiting in the yard. Just finished his branch line duties, and now he had to pull a line of very troublesome trucks. Oh no, now I've got to pull those stupid trucks. Ha ha, I'd never be seen pulling those smelly wagons. I can't anyway, it would be bad for my swerves. No, you're just scared. I'm not. As I told you, it will ruin my swerves. I'm afraid that's not true, Daisy. You can pull goods trains, but only 3 or 4 trucks. So you are scared. I knew it. No, I'm. In fact, I'll take your goods train. That'll prove it. Okay then, we might give you some scary dreams.
Shut up!
So Daisy coupled up to the trucks and Thomas went to take her passengers. Oh, why did I agree to this? It was your decision. Oh, we best get going then, I guess. Daisy strained and pulled until her wheels started to turn. Heave! Pulling trains is easy. I don't know why the steam engines make such a fuss. Oos, easy. We need to teach her a lesson. Yeah, on! The truck surged forwards. Oh, whatever is the matter back there? Daisy's brakes screeched with fury as she passed Wellsworth. Luckily, Boko was on hand and chased after her. The wise Diesel slammed on his brakes and Daisy put on her brakes even harder. Come on! The brakes screeched and the truck screamed, but slowly but surely the train came to a halt. Hooray! I did it! I think the Boko helped too. Oh yeah. Well done, Boko! Yes, well done. Daisy's brakes were badly damaged, so she had to go to the works. So an engine was called to take her. Unfortunately, Daisy wasn't so pleased with the engine that came. Hello, Daisy. How was your train? Well, it's obviously really. Those smelly wagons aren't so easy to pull after all. Well, we live and learn, eh? Better get you to the works. Daisy now knows about trucks. And sometimes pulls trains herself also. Thomas is now teaching her how to handle the troublemakers. The end.